in maybe 2 or 3 words. You know, there's one tea in Nigeria. I don't know whether some of you are familiar with that tea. That tea is called Beyond Comment. That's just what it is. For a young, enterprising individual to have the visionary thoughts and putting them into real practice. Believe me sincerely, this is maybe 1 in a million. And to own this complex, so I don't call this just a facility, I call it a complex. With all the machinery, with all the tools, with all the equipment, and the array of strategic materials that are needed for dealing with the issues of pollution and cleaning up associated with oil and gas. I have never imagined that you will find all these in one location, dealing with across the whole value chain and helping to produce products that are in their need. Products such as oxygen, nitrogen, breaking down of methane, breaking down of carbon dioxide, not only from the oil but also from the air. There are vast opportunities for us to really work together. And with an indigenous person, using indigenous technologies, using available resources by way of the technical hands that I have seen. Honestly, it's again beyond comment, but we give God the glory. Because for anybody to be able to put it together, our concern is that such facilities must not be allowed to waste.
Sure.
They should be put to good use in cleaning the environment and also adding value to what we are doing in terms of making sure that we decarbonize the oil and gas system. And for me, this is just the beginning of our relationship. Hopefully, I may be able to drag somebody higher than me, possibly the Minister for Environment or another minister, to also see this facility.
We appreciate it.
So you are seeing us here. Maybe the next time that you are going to see us, maybe we are accompanying 1 minister or 2 coming here.
Thank you very much.
And I want to say a big congratulations to all of you.
Thank you,
and keep on putting the best that you can.